All right, guys, what's going on? As you can see behind me, we're at our rail yard. All right, there's a couple more people here. I'm gonna show you, hold on. Okay, so there's a couple people right there. I showed you yesterday. One came in last night and he's a paraglider. You know that thing I want to do? Yeah. So here he is. So I'm gonna get to film him taking off, and then I'm gonna film him. So you gotta be checking this out. Anyway, I really don't want to give my spot away to too many people because, well, you know, I gotta have the kind of the rail yard. I like it to myself, but there was a couple other people here, so that's all right. But we are going to get back with you on this rail yard situation after I take the video of this guy taking off and landing and stuff. But anyway, these rail yards, they're cool, man, and nobody really bugs you. Yeah, well, hey, we got some riders coming through here with the ATVs, side by sides, and all that good stuff. But I bugged him a little bit while he was getting set up. I don't want to bug him right now. But however, I will. He's gonna take off. It's gonna be so cool, you guys. I told Sean I wanted to do this, and she told me no, not a chance in hell. So next best thing I get to do is watch it take off. I can watch him fly and just dream it was me. All right, guys, hold on. You guys, it's gonna be cool. How you doing? Good morning to y'all.
Hope you guys are having a great day. Today is Sunday, no wind, and it's beautiful. So we are headed to the Yuma flea market. Have you guys been there? Have you heard of it? Let's go check it out. Okay, you guys, they have several buildings here full of stuff. Okay, you guys, we're all done already. So I got me this necklace, pink, for $1.
And I got me a necklace, a cross for $1.
And in the truck. We're gonna hang that in the truck.
I got me a lighter. I needed a new one for $4. And I got a bag of washers, just all different. You know, I mean, not all different sizes. Just they're all the same size, but they were only $1.
Yeah. And you saw all kinds of stuff that was really expensive in Courtside.
Yeah,
all
kind of trader stuff that's cheaper to buy here than it is in Courtside. I mean, it's good stuff, just like same as Courtside, but like half the price.
Yeah, so it was definitely worth it if you guys are looking for something specifically. There are all kinds of stuff, clothes. I mean, that's all we found. Okay, you guys. So we're going on to our next errands. Come along with us. Okay, you guys, we are arriving at the mall in Yuma. It's actually really big, you guys. They got Kohl's and J.C. Penney's, Dillard's. Okay, you guys, we are eating at Dave's, famous Dave's barbecue for the first time. Scott's got a bowl of chili. What do you think?
Chili's not bad. It's pretty good.
Yeah, and then I got a salad. That looks really good. Okay, you guys, here's the main course. I got myself a baked potato. Scott got himself a burger and some fries. They don't give you very many fries. I would have thought they gave you a lot more.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the bacon for Amara.
Yep. Okay, guys, we're gonna eat now. Okay guys, we just left Dave's famous barbecue. I really like the baked potato. That was probably the best baked potato I've ever ate, but I could only eat a quarter of it, so I still have like 2 more meals out of it. And the salad was great too. Best salad ever, side salad. But Scott, would you eat that burger again?
I would. I mean, the burger was okay. I wouldn't order it again. I normally would get ribs or something like that, but I didn't see ribs on the menu. So
till after you ordered.
Till after I ordered and she was already gone, I was like, shit. I seen them on the little sign on the table.
Yeah.
So I love their barbecue sauce. That's all I buy at Walmart. But
would you order their chili again?
Their chili's all right, but
I don't like the chunks in it, but I did enjoy the flavor of it, and I'm really picky. Yeah. But I don't like chunky chili they had jalapenos in it and chunky cooked tomatoes, and no.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, for me, I eat there now. I don't never have to eat there again. I was always curious because I like their barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
However, we might go on a Friday because they got a fish fry for Shauna, and I'll get ribs in, and we'll redo it.
We'll try it again because I will order the catfish with a baked potato. Because oh my gosh, the baked potato, you guys! If you love baked potatoes, go to Famous Dave's Barbecue. Okay.
Unless you get a Famous Scott baked potato, they're really good. So that was our lunch date at Famous Dave's Barbecue.